Hi everyone, so I am back with my new tutorial again. In this I am going to model a trophy and also render it. So please watch this video till the end and thanks. So as usual, move on general. Now delete this three: camera, light and cube. Now go to add mesh, then select a cylinder. Now after that click on vertices and keep it on 12. Now press 1 for front view and just S for scaling it like this. Now keep it here. Now press tab key from your keyboard for moving on editing mode. Now go here, you can check this cavity box and depth of field like this, and then you can make slightly changes for your presentation, how you like to see your this model on viewport level like this. Now let's add some loop cuts over here like this. Now basically we are making the upper part of our trophy, so let's make some designs on it. Designs means its shape like this. You can decide its shape from reference from Google like this. Like this. Now delete this upper face like this. Now let's move on to its down part. So for that just I am keeping it over here, and then one for vertex selection, and then press E, and then you can extrude it. It is our down part of our trophy like this. Now you can just extend it from here like this, and just press Ctrl B for beveling like this. As you can see, keep it over here. Now move it over here. Just you have to maintain its shape, nothing more, like this. Now after this, from down press E like this. Now you can just keep it over here. We are making some designs for our trophy for its down part like this. Now just scale it and keep it down like this. Press E and then drag your mouse like this. Now move on to face selection and then select this. Press Shift D, and then just you can separate the selection as you can see on the screen. Now select it, set origin to geometry, do like this. Now then just make its design part over here. Then you can just make slightly designs on it like this. If you want to make another, you can also just take a nice reference from Google, and that's all you need like this. Just maintain its shape. Now press E and S for extruding it from inside like this. Now you can smooth shade it, and you can notice, and then give it some loop cuts over here. So if we smooth shade our model, the where we have added some loop cuts tool, that part will look more sharper, as you can notice over here like this. Now select this part, and then you can notice it from all the angle. From down it requires a loop cut tool over here. and from here press 3 and E and S for extruding it like this. So here our trophy is almost done. Now after that, let's make its down part. Take a cube and then just like this arrange it over here. This is our level part of our trophy, so just I am giving it a simple design as this is a beginner's tutorial. So if you want to give something else you can, and also you can share your this model with me and like this. Now press its front part and press shift D for duplicating like this. Now separate that part. After this, just like this edges and press Ctrl B for beveling like this for adding some smoothness on our model like this. Now select these parts also, again press Ctrl B like this. After that, let's bring our level part which we have hidden it, and then just press extrude that part like this, and then you can just keep it over here. If you want to make your model more complex, you can also add some little nuts, means nut bolts on this level part. So let's make its handle. So for that, select a Bezier tool like this, and then just scale it up like this, and you can just design it like this. Just try to give it a nice shape from taking a reference from your Google like this. After this, you can see we have made our handle part. Now let's decrease its depth from here. You can decide its depth however you want to keep, you can like this. So this must be perfect enough like this. Now let's mirror it. Go to add modifier, then mirror it on x-axis like this, and then apply that. So as you can see, we have completed with our handle part also. Just I wanted to make it more thick like this. This is alright like this. So we have completed with our modeling part. You can see. Now let's move on to our coloring part, and then we will render it. So go to your shader mode like this, and then add a plane from here like this. Now after adding plane, go to BSDF, now principal BSDF, and then convert it into glossy BSDF, and you can decide your trophy's color however you want to keep it like this. Copy this color code and then just decrease its roughness part, and then you can repeat that process and paste that color part on this its handle. Now give its color for its level part, and then this you can choose your own color imagination as you need for your this model. You can. Now I am adding some textures for my trophies rendering part. Just I'm giving it a wood texture for like it is skipped on a wooden a table like this. Now add a HDRI image for environment texture like this. So you can see and convert it into cycles. So you can see how our model is looking. You can see. Now simply press 0 from your keyboard and then you can render it from any angle you need. So that's all for today, and I hope you enjoyed my tutorial and learned something new from it. So please stay connected with me. Please do like, comment and subscribe. Thanks and bye bye.